Okay, there's a little limit switch I've got hooked up to this motorized thing. There's a little cam there that spins around. Now, this is just hanging off the gun, and I had to put it on full auto because I've got the trigger wired so it's pulled and stays pulled, and with semi-automatic what happens is you got to release it and then pull it and then release it and then pull it to keep shooting repeatedly. So I had to put it on full auto so that when I pull the trigger it'll keep shooting full auto every time. Then the little gear spins around there, it'll trigger the mechanism that goes into the battery inside the gun. Now I'm using the battery inside the gun, and another battery is inside the control for the circuitry for the receiver. And then I got a box over here I'm going to shoot at, and let's see, you've seen it move and turn it on. Grab the transmitter, turn it on. Now I'm going to aim it at the box and let her fly. And we'll do that again. Aim it at this box. I gotta go down a little bit. And there we go.